Are you ready to discover a game-changing way to earn daily commissions from Amazon? Hey guys, and welcome back. Today's video is going to blow your mind. I'm going to reveal how you can use the power of ChatGPT to create stunning AI-generated videos that will earn you daily Amazon commissions. Let's dive straight into the video. If you're part of the 99%, then you've probably heard of ChatGPT by now. But for that 1% who haven't, let me fill you in. ChatGPT is a game-changing language model created by OpenAI that has the power to generate human-like responses to text prompts. If you're looking for a simple way to make money online, the Amazon Associates program might be just what you need. But what is it, exactly? Well, the Amazon Associates program is a referral program that allows you to earn commissions by promoting Amazon products. All you have to do is sign up for the program, and then you can start promoting products on your website, blog, or social media. It's a win-win situation. Amazon gets more customers, and you get a commission for every sale made through your affiliate link. To explain what I mean, go to YouTube and search for a product. Like the top 10 smartphones in 2023. Now, if you go to their description box, you will find links to these smartphones. Well, those links are affiliate links, and they allow content creators to earn commissions from Amazon products. If a viewer clicks on that link and buys the product, the content creator earns a commission. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to launch a YouTube channel just like that, using ChatGPT to do most of the work for you. But that's not all. I'll also show you how to outsource the video creation process if you don't want to do it yourself. When it comes to launching a successful YouTube channel, choosing the right niche is crucial. You want to pick something that you're passionate about and that you can see yourself creating content around for years to come. So, the first step is to choose a niche. You can choose beauty, gaming, technology, sports, traveling, food, vlogging, or pets as your niche. Whatever it is, pick a niche that speaks to you. But don't stop there. Within your niche, try to focus on a sub-niche. For example, if you love sports, you could focus on cricket, baseball, or soccer. Or if you are into beauty, you could focus on skincare, makeup product reviews, or tutorials. This will help you stand out from the competition and attract a more targeted audience. And if you're still unsure about what niche to choose, head over to Amazon's product categories and start exploring. You might just find the perfect niche for you. Let's move on to the second step. To become an Amazon affiliate, all you need to do is head over to their affiliate program page and hit the sign up button. It's that easy. Next, you need to get accepted into the program. I suggest creating a channel and uploading at least one video before signing up. This way, you can provide a link to your traffic source and increase your chances of acceptance. However, it's not a requirement, as many people are accepted without any traffic source. So let's get you signed up and start earning those sweet commissions. Are you ready for the most exciting step of this tutorial? It's finally time to create some jaw-dropping videos that will attract viewers and earn you some serious cash. But, wait a minute, how do you know what kind of videos to create? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Rather than guessing and risking failure, I suggest emulating what's already successful. Now, before you start thinking I am telling you to copy someone else's work, let me clarify. You should create content that is similar to what is already working but with your unique twist. So, how do you find successful video ideas? It's simple. Just search for your keywords on YouTube, like best smartphones in 2023. Then, go to the filters and set the upload date to this month, this week, last hour, or today, and sort by view count. This will give you a list of recently uploaded videos that have already proven to be successful. Spend some time browsing different videos and choose your favorite one to get started. Trust me, with ChatGPT and a bit of creativity, you'll have a hit video in no time. Once you have found the right video, it's time to start analyzing the video of your competitor. This isn't about copying their ideas, it's about learning from their successes and failures. By taking note of what your competitors are doing well and where they could improve, you can gain valuable insights that will help you create even better content for your viewers. Don't forget to review the comments section too. This is where you'll find a goldmine of information about what viewers like and dislike. This is important to make your YouTube channel a success so that you can get more viewers, and more viewers can make more commissions. Now that you have your niche and your video idea, it's time to start thinking about the products you want to promote. Once you have your list, head over to Amazon and generate your affiliate links. These links will be included in your video's description box, and when someone clicks on them and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Let's talk about step 5, where the magic really happens. This is where we use ChatGPT to help us generate an attention-grabbing script for our video. We all know that the first few seconds of a video can make or break its success, so it's crucial to hook your viewers' attention right from the start. With ChatGPT, you can easily generate a killer intro that sets the tone and language style that fits your audience and product. For example, if you're creating a video on the best smartphones in 2023, you could start with a snappy statement or an interesting fact that instantly engages your audience. Then, one by one, copy the product name, paste it into ChatGPT, and set the tone to your preference. Then write to add features, pros and cons. Repeat this process for all the products on your list. In just a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate an attention-grabbing script for you. Let's dive into the next step. We all know that the key to a successful channel is creating videos that are both high quality and engaging. Fortunately, there are numerous options at your disposal when it comes to producing videos that will captivate your audience and keep them coming back for more. Let's talk about the different ways you can produce your videos. If you're just starting out and want to keep costs low, producing your own videos might be the way to go. With free video editing software and stock footage and music from websites like Pexels.com and YouTube Audio Library, you can create high-quality videos from the comfort of your own home. It may take a bit of time to learn the basics of video editing, but the end result is worth it. However, if you have a bit of money to invest in your videos, outsourcing your production to freelancers can be a game changer. You can hire a professional voice actor to record your script and an expert editor to put everything together seamlessly. There are tons of talented freelancers available online who offer their services at competitive rates, so you're sure to find someone who fits your budget and delivers top-notch work. After creating your masterpiece video, it's time to create a thumbnail that is worthy of catching the viewer's attention. A thumbnail is like the cover of a book, it's the first impression that can make or break the success of your video. Fortunately, creating a thumbnail is an easy task with Canva. With a plethora of customizable templates and design elements, you can create a stunning thumbnail that perfectly complements your video's topic and style. Lastly, don't forget to include your affiliate links in the video description, which is the cherry on top, enabling you to earn commissions on any purchases made through your links. So, this is it for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, show some love by hitting that like button and subscribing to my channel. Be sure to stay tuned for more exciting content on the way, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.